So I'm about to go ride a dirt bike for the first time at a track. I had a motorcycle before and I ride mountain bikes, so I think I'll be okay, but I know it's a whole different ballgame. So kind of nervous, super excited. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We packed up our gear and headed the 20 miles north to Rio Bravo Motocross Park. It's one of 4 main parks right in the Houston area. And at first I have to say it was somewhat intimidating pulling in and seeing all the big jumps and everything under the lights. The sound, the riders all in their kits was pretty intimidating for someone who's never been to a track before. But once I got riding and on the bike and started talking to people, then I got over that really fast. What we found is that the people were super nice, and we ran into a few mechanical issues, and they came over, helped out, offered to lend some fluids that we needed, and met some really cool people that day. David and Kerr have both ridden before, but it was my first time really at a track. Like I said, I've been on a motorcycle before, and I ride mountain bikes, but this is a whole different game. Just the power and the speed is completely different. They went first. David took a ride around first, and then Kerr after that. And David had a 250, but Kerr had a brand new 450. I didn't ride that the first day, but I did end up going back another day and trying out the 450. It's a whole nother beast than the 250. David picked this bike up on Craigslist. He tore the whole thing apart, rebuilt it, so it was pretty cool to see it out on the track running perfectly smooth. David's first time out on the track, he did really well. He got the jumping down pretty much right away and even started moving the bike around in the air a little bit. We all had a little bit of trouble on these hard-packed corners, but I think that will come in time after a little bit of practice. Dude, how was it? Yeah. How your hands feel?
I'm like out of breath.
Kerr was up next, and he's ridden most of his life. He's from Ireland originally and rode bikes there, but also has ridden in other places he's lived. It's been a little bit, but he got right back on the bike, and the speed he could hit the track compared to David and I was just unreal. He was at a completely different level, so it was really cool to see him on the track. He ended up getting a 450 Honda, and that thing is an absolute monster. Even he at first said it's going to take a little bit to get used to, but after a few laps he started really letting loose on it. First lap, we'll see how it goes.
Always gas. Yeah. You just leave it on here.
If I could stay in third and just use the gas, I'd be happy.
Yeah. I think that's what a big bike will do.
I'm ready, but I'm nervous. Gotta start it for me. Ah. Okay. Go button, stop button. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Woo, that's loud. A little kids about to show me up. And here goes nothing. Woo! Oh God, that's exhilarating and terrifying. After a couple laps on the smaller track, I decided to take a turn on the big track. That's where all the fast riders were, so it was pretty intimidating, but once I got on it, it wasn't too bad.
All right, first time on the big track.
Overall, it was an amazing experience, and I cannot wait to get back out there. And just as a little teaser, I may or may not have picked up a bike of my own.